everyone. This week is Bonfire night. There'll be lots and lots of fireworks. So here is our fireworks song and some ideas of ways to use your voices and instruments to make the firework sounds.
It's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, and the sky is bright. See the Catherine wheel, listen to the sound. See the Catherine wheel, listen to the sound.
The Catherine wheel is round. So you might actually use your arm to do some movement like a Catherine wheel going round and round and round. Or you might want to use an instrument. See the Catherine wheel, listen to the sound. See the Catherine wheel, listen to the sound. Or you might want to use a tambourine because it's the same shape as the Catherine wheel. See the Catherine wheel, listen to the sound. See the Catherine wheel, listen to the sound.
It's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, and the sky is bright. See the banger, listen to the sound. See the banger, listen to the sound.
The bangers are the ones I think of as the Chinese firecrackers that are going bang, 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 bang on the floor. So you could use your voices and go bang, 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 bang. You could use body percussion. Or if you've got a small drum or a wooden instrument. See the bangers, listen to the sound. See the bangers, listen to the sound.
It's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, and the sky is bright. See the rocket, listen to the sound. See the rocket, listen to the sound.
The rockets are the ones that whoosh up into the sky. So this is a really good one for using your bodies and your voices. So you could go, see the rocket whoosh, bang. Listen to the sound, whoosh, bang. See the rocket whoosh, bang. Listen to the sound, whoosh, bang. Or if you've got a tambourine that's got a skin on it, this is a really nice one as well for going whoosh, bang. Whoosh, bang. Whoosh, bang.
It's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, it's bonfire night, and the sky is bright.
There are lots of different sorts of fireworks, so you could find out the names of them, listen to the sounds of them, make your own sounds with your voices or your bodies or with instruments. But while you're looking and listening, make sure that you stay safe and are careful.